Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris, and this is a collaboration, and the host is Christina at the DIY Mommy, and it's 2019 Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge. This is my inspiration right here, so sit back and relax, and let's get started. Okay, so now we take apart the two hoops, and we're only using the inside hoop for this. Now we have three patterns to cut. The heavy duty plastic that we have, and also the cardboard and the paper, the poster paper. Once we do that, you line everything up and glue it together. Make holes in both the papers, and then once they're glued together, it should line up pretty good. And then you can stick your lights through there and see, make any adjustments that you may need. You make sure they position real good, and then we move to the next step. Now we made exactly 6 holes in this board, and I decided to use styrofoams just to even out things and to help balance the rocks. Now at the very top, that's where we'll be gluing down our plants and our succulents, and we'll be adding more rocks and styrofoam to that. Now my plan was to add as many rocks as I could, and also the styrofoam. The styrofoam is really helping out a lot to cover those tea lights. So you'll see exactly how I work those two together to surround those tea lights. And the last thing that we have to put in place is more plants, and then cover it with the plastic. Okay, after adding more rocks and more plants, we're almost done. And this is a look at the inspiration again. And now we're going to piece everything together, glue everything down, and then we are done. And this is the results. I would like to thank Christina with the DIY Mommy for hosting this collaboration. And if you're not a part of my channel, this is a good time to subscribe down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And a playlist will be linked down below to see the other wonderful participants in this collaboration. You actually can put this on the inside as wall decor, Or you can put on the outside like I plan to do as light for my outside deck. I'll be using this and several more decorative items to light up my deck on the outside. So come back and see how I put it together. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you, amores.